Welcome to Stacy J Studio. Thank you for popping in today. I hope you subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know you care. Oh, you care. You care.
So you have a flat rump and you want your pants to fit, and there's a great big line of smiley heading from your hip to under your body, under your bum, cheeks, or lack thereof, and you can pinch it and make a little line and pin it. So what we want to do, and it's like a sway back, only it's a flat bum. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut from the center back out to the sides, like we do with the sway back. We cut from the center back out to the sides by grading out. So here's how we do it. Okay, so what I've done is I've done a really lovely sketch of the back of a pair of pants. Okay, it's going to have other work done it, but normally you'll have, so about here, you'll have 3 or 2 dashes. Excuse those ones. Right, so I don't go to where the bum finishes or drops to, I go above that. So I'm going to take the fabric out of above that, but below my 3 notches there. That's because we don't want to play with notches. Okay, do a line across, and I'll just cut this out. Now, when I do cut it out, obviously I haven't, I'll go in and do my seam allowance, and I'll put a line there. This is my pivoting point. Pivot. So I'll cut across here. So what I do with the sway back as well, to my pivoting point. Oh, there's just a pivot enough in there. So that gives the ability for this to take shape. Okay, so what we want to do, and so we've got a straighter grain here. Put my straighter grain in, just so that you've got the straighter grain. So that's nicely together. Come on, Stacey J. Right, and I've ripped my pivot. No one said I was that clever. Okay, right, here's our little straighter grain. I'm going to do this because I want it to pivot properly for you. Just going to grab a little bit of tape. I have some on here anyway. God. Right. A little bit harder working with something that's smaller. I'm not making excuses, but it seems like an excuse. So I'm just going to clip in there again and clip to there again. Now say I need to take out, now you've pinched out your fabric, okay? And when you pinch out your fabric, you pinch it like this, okay? And then you put the pin in. Now this is the amount you need from that fold to that fold. So from here to here, that's how much you want to remove. Okay, so that would be 2 centimeters or just under an inch. I'm not even going to do the math for inches. So say we need to get rid of about 2 centimeters. So we just put it up. Yep. And we can move the top of that down. Okay, and then we tape it up again. Okay, see how that's got that little tiny gap there, and it's overlapping there. So we want to true it back up. Okay, and true that up. Okay, so that is taking out the 2 centimeters where I marked it off there. So the line now goes from here, the cut goes from here. Okay, so that's how much we got rid of. We want to gradually take it back out to the side where there's nothing taken out. Because if you take out here, then you need to take out from the front as well. Okay, and that's what you're doing. You're actually shortening this to move the fabric like that. You don't take the fabric out from here, because your bottom sits here. Clear as mud, or is it crystal? Okay, take care guys. See you later.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.